Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Okay, let me share the link first. Okay, so hold on. Just now I log in late a little bit. So hold on. Okay, yeah. So please help me to click like lah. Okay, click like and also share this video so that we can get more viewers to tune in to our live session. Okay, hold on. Still got many places to paste the link. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, good evening. Okay, 卓先生 review Top Glove TDMS GD Berhad. Okay, good evening, Grace Tenaga Maybank TP. Hello, Wong. Okay, Franken review Redtone Lee SK Sunzen WC MSM My EG. Okay, hold on. Let me share the link. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, okay, QESTP review HSI Facebook can log in. Never mind. You still can tune in to the YouTube. Okay, so yeah, let's get warm up first, okay? So today we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Only follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan. Okay, whether you are looking for EPTP or support or resistance. Okay, and disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or are just for education purposes. Okay, okay, let's get warm up first. Okay, let me find. Okay, so far for US market first. Okay, for the Dow Jones first. Okay, Dow Jones has been down for so many days. Okay, yesterday closing, in my opinion, is more on neutral. Okay, maybe due to oversold. Okay, market may have temporarily bounced up, or you can say this is a big cat bounce lah. So if they are able to bounce up, wash out on 38K. Okay, this is their first resistance, and their second resistance is 38.25K. Okay, so watch out these two levels for their crucial resistance. Okay, unless they can recover back above 38.6K and above, then we only consider market may resume bullishness. Okay, and S&P as well, they already break below 5080 and tentatively they are at one of the support 5040. Okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, good evening. Okay, Ken. Okay, so take note on their crucial support 5040, 5025, and the resistance 5080. Okay, if they are able to break through, then take note on the next resistance, which is at 5130. Okay, and for the Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq last night closing considered neutral maybe due to oversold as well. Market may have some temporary pullback. So take note on 17.9K and another is 18K. Okay, this is their crucial resistance. Okay, if they are unable to break through, we may see another sell down. Okay, on the US market. And how about the HSI? Okay, this one for Jordan. Okay, so tentatively, HSI is at one of the crucial support, which is 16.2K. Okay, for today market is more on neutral. Seems like they are trying to support this level. Okay, if they are able to stay above 16.2K by end of today, okay, because this is a futures market is still running. Okay, then maybe tomorrow we may see some short-term bounce up. But on the other hand, if they break and close below 16.2K, we may see more downside, probably to 15.8K. Okay, this is a HSI, but so far I see any pullback is an opportunity to short lah. Okay, for me, market is weak. And how about the oil price? Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is the oil price. Okay, oil price is still not really going anywhere, but they are just have a minor pullback. As long as the price above 83, $84, I would say they are still bullish. Okay, just a pullback only. And for the gold price, so far, I think they are still bullish. As we can see on Monday, the closing is pretty bullish. And so long the price above 2320, I will say gold still have potential to retest 2004 or even higher. Okay, after this, we go for the cryptocurrency. I think more on bearish lah, okay, because they are trying to go back to above 65K, but fear, okay, seems like they might retesting 60K. Unless they can recover above 65K and 68K, then otherwise we may see some bearishness on the Bitcoin. Okay, I think they might sideways along or within now. Okay, 60K to 73K. Okay, just sideways like this. Okay, so crypto market tentatively is more on rate lah. Okay, even the Ethereum as well, they already broke below 3002, and I think they might heading down to 2008. Okay, psychology level is 3000. And how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, after four sell down 4 trading days okay, since last Tuesday until now. Okay, every day open gap down. Okay, yesterday also open gap down, close low. Okay, today finally we can see some buyer come in okay, but for me it's just a rebound. Okay, as we can see there are a lot gaps. Okay, so here what we can see here, they do have a gap at 1550, another gap here 1545. Okay, so for the immediate gap is here 1542. Okay, but for me, I think based on today's performance, probably they might pull up to 1545 or 1550, unless the price can close above 1550 and above. Otherwise, we will see just a pullback for further sell down. Maybe they just pull back here or here, then maybe they might sell down like that. Okay, so tentatively more on short-term trading is okay lah. Maybe do some rebound trade or what. Okay, so try not to hold overnight or over the weekend. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. So let me see. Review HHM, Sunview, Capital A. Comment on Sendai. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, first one is from Ken. Okay, HSSEBN Hibiscus. Okay, HSSEB. They had so many days of sell down since 1st of April. You can see almost every day sell down. And finally, okay, yesterday we can see a hammer appeared. Okay, hammer here. Volume ada. Okay, today more on the low volume in my opinion, but at least okay, it's a bullish candle. Okay, just that lack of volume if they have more volumes that will be better for them. But never mind. Okay, so we can see they yesterday candle they also try to make the closing above 940. Okay, so I think tentatively they may have some pullback above. Okay, maybe to retest a 1 ringgit level. Okay, so based on the hammer and the confirmation, probably, okay, as long as tonight the US market sentiment not too bad lah. Okay, maybe they do have chance to bounce up probably to 1 ringgit lah, one of the psychology level, and also is a hard resistant. And also these counters, also the price is still above 200 MAs. Okay, if they are unable to stay above 940, 930 like that, okay, they might go back down to test 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 880. Okay, so I would say, due to oversold, maybe they might have some bounce up to 1 ringgit, 101 level. Okay, if the closing still unable to break through 1 ringgit, they might come down to retest 940 or break below 940, go to 880. Okay, so what I see now, okay, for short term is more on a small rebound. Okay, so how about the hibiscus? Okay, for hibiscus, okay, as we can see on Monday, they already pump up to 292, okay, which was a resistance back in 2023 October. You can see back in 2023, market also hit here, then they sell down. Okay, this time about the same and some more with high volumes. So tentatively, what we can see is here lah. Okay, because this was a resistance, right? Now turn into support. So take note on 266, 268. Okay, if the next few days, okay, hibiscus, the price able to stay above 266, maybe they still have chance to make a comeback. Okay, but if they go below means history might repeat lah. Okay, they may go down to 25 something or 24 something. Okay, so take note, maybe we can give them one more big buffer lah, 265 lah. Okay, stay above 265, I guess. Okay, still fightable lah, still got some hope. Okay, how about the Top Glove, TDM, and SCG Berhad? Let's go for the Top Glove. Okay, Top Glove so far, okay, they yet to hit my stop loss lah. Okay, so what we can see, even though back in 20th of March, they have attempted to make a comeback, they still unable to go through 200 MAs. Okay, tested again back in 5th of April, also unable to go through. Okay, today trying to make some comeback, but volume wise, I would say okay lah. Okay, so far you can see Top Glove is still above 795, 790. Maybe still got some bottoming chance lah. Okay, so long the price don't go break below or close below 790, I think they do have chance for a potential bottoming. Okay, some more MACD got some momentum. Okay, as I mentioned before, okay, glove or healthcare could be one of the potential safe havens. Okay, due to they also oversold lah. Okay, then market may see this as a chance. Okay, hot money see as a chance to going up a little bit. Okay, so long above 790, maybe still watchable for the potential bounce up. Okay, this is a Top Glove. And how about TDM? Okay, TDM yesterday break below 20 MA, which is 280. So in my opinion, is not that strong. Okay, unless by tomorrow they can recover back above 280. Otherwise, we may see them to revisit 240, 235 like that. Okay, maybe 240 lah. Okay, so we can see back in Monday and Tuesday, the selling pressure is still there. Okay, today close with a hammer, a light candle. Volume okay saja lah. So based on this hammer, I expect they might come back up to test the resistance 280. If they are unable to go through, they may sell down lah. Okay, unless by tomorrow they can close above 280, then okay. Then got chance to continue rally up. Okay, hello Grace Tenaga. Okay, Tenaga so far so good lah. Yes, okay, back in Monday they do have faced some resistance at 1170, and yesterday, okay, they come back down to test 1130 and close above 20 MA. So far seems like they are still quite steady lah. Okay, so long above, maybe we can put 1130 lah. So long the closing price is above 1130, I think Tenaga is still okay. And do take note on the hard resistance, 1170, 1180. Okay, if not mistaken, yeah, I'm not sure why I put here. Probably due to the price adjusted lah. Okay, so I think previously the resistance was somewhere at 1160s like that. Okay, but so far we can see they also get resisted back in 8 and 9 of April. So this could be your immediate resistance. Okay. How about the MBB? Okay, Maybank so far we can see they are like a little bit topish at 970. Okay, seems like a little bit topish at here. And somehow the price already break below 20 MA. Short term slightly weak. Okay, and also MACD cross down. Okay, seems like they need to have some rest. Okay, maybe they might need to go sideways for the time being lah. Okay, take note on the immediate support, probably somewhere around 955, and the resistance 974. Okay, so tentatively what we see is they do have a potential go sideways. Okay, if they are able to stay above 955, take note on your resistance 974. But if the closing price is go below 955, they may go to 940. Okay, so you can consider, okay, or when they go up, you can consider to release some lah, or you can do a trading stop at 955. Go below, then you cabut dulu lah. Then wait at lower price, probably 940 925 only re-enter. Okay, how about the Franken? Okay, Franken. Okay, even though last 2 days, back in Monday, Tuesday, they had a strong sell down, but the price is still supported. Okay, 375, 380 supported. Today make a strong comeback. The only thing is a lack of a strong volume only lah. Okay, today volumes boleh tahan saja. Okay, by seeing yesterday they have a high volume. Today, yesterday is high volume sell down, but today is a big bullish candle push up. So I assume yesterday was a legit buyer at this zone, somewhere around 375, 380. So meaning so long Franken stay above 375, bull still remain. Okay, here was a resistance turn into support. Okay, so long above 375, I think they are still all right. And take note on the psychology level. Okay, 4 ringgit. Okay, next one is a Red Tone and Lee SK. Good spot. I also spot Lee SK got some volumes. Okay, Red Tone I noticed yesterday lah. Okay, tapi I worried they are unable to go through the hard resistance, which is somewhere around 360. Okay, so what we can see back in last Friday and Monday, they do have a sell down. Yesterday closed with a hammer and volume. Okay, and today another mini hammer, tapi the volume okay saja. Okay, so for red tone, okay, you take note, 960 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, due to this was a support. Okay, breakdown turn into resistance. So they do have some overhead resistance. Okay, especially their immediate resistance 960, and their second resistance I would use here. Okay, which was a minor support back in March and resistance back in the April, and also here is a 2050 MA crossover. So in my opinion, red tone is short-term, mid-term is more on weakening. Okay, long-term point of view, they are still very strong. Okay, long-term, they are still in the uptrend. But short-term, we may see some correction. Okay, due to 20 cross below 50 already. And also here you can see the high is getting slightly lower. So I guess this is just a pullback. Okay, pullback maybe to 960 or 990 only. Then if they are unable to close above, they might sell down. Okay, just a bounce up lah. Okay, how about the Lee SK? Okay, Lee SK back in February, January, they do have a good rally. Okay, until a strong rejection back in 28th of February. Okay, a strong bearish price action. So I assume this is a hard resistance. Okay, due to the high volume sell down. Okay, so the big seller come out at this level. Okay, within 103 to 111. So this become a hard resistance. So this is what I see. So also have a multiple attempt to come back, but not really successful. Okay, even here they are trying to bounce up, but also break below 960 back in 22nd of March. So already low volume cool down for so many weeks. Finally today has a higher volumes. Okay, so what we can see on the recent support is somewhere around, maybe we can put about 90 cents. Okay, so meaning that Lee SK, so long they are above 90 cents, probably, okay, they have some chance for the bounce up. Okay, here was a resistance, right? Now turn, sorry, not resistance. Okay, here was a support, right? So now turn into resistance. Also in conjunction with somewhere around 2050 MA lah. Okay, so with the volume, probably they do have chance to bounce up to test a 955, 960. But if they go below 90 cents, I think they might have more sell down. But for me, they are like, okay, if you notice on the structure, they are like sideways here, breakdown, sideways here, breakdown. So what I guess is they might sideways here. Okay, if they break down, then they will have another sideways breakdown. Okay, this is what I see lah. They are like a ladder going down. Unless they can go above 960, then maybe only got chance to make a comeback. Okay, so what I see this also is just a potential bounce up only. Okay, so short term trade maybe some opportunity lah. Tapi below 90 cents no good lah. Okay, Shenzhen WC we see mother first lah. In nature, later we see Shenzhen mother price macam kena resisted by 340 So take note Shenzhen the mother share 320. Okay, if go below short term maybe not so good. Okay, if go still stay above 320, maybe they are still got some opportunity lah. YTL, okay. Okay, so far WC is still okay. W you take note on 125 and also the mother share lah. Okay, yesterday they have attempt to press down, but yeah, at least the closing price, okay, they close above 135. So this is at least lucky lah. They try to support the price, stay above 125. So take note on 125 above still okay, below not okay. Okay, MSN, MyEG and Pharma. Okay, MSM recently have some correction, a small one. Okay, so far they are still above 3113 ringgit. Okay, MACD already started to cross over, so I assume they might go sideways for the time being. Long term, they are still good. Okay, still in a good shape. Only short term, okay, because they are below 20 MA, so I will say they are more on slightly weak only. Okay, not until bearish lah, just weak only. Okay, so long they are above 3 ringgit, I think they are still okay. Okay, so I assume for the time being, they might just go sideways dulu. Okay, they might go sideways dulu. Okay, MyEG. MyEG a bit boring, a bit disappointing. Okay, but so far, the only good news is they are still above 770. Okay, as I mentioned before, the small sideways trend is more on 770, 840. 770, 840. Okay, so this is back in last year, September until now. Sorry, now only April. Okay, they are in the sideways. On the bigger trend, they are sideways within 720 to 865. Okay, so MyEG so far, they are still more on sideways, not that bearish and not bullish. Okay. Okay, how about the Pharmaniaga? Sorry, wrong country. Pharmaniaga. Okay, Pharmaniaga not that great. Okay, because I would say they already broke below 340. Yeah, even though today made a comeback, also you can see the volume is extremely low, and and the price is below all moving averages, below 20, 50, 100, 200 MAs. So for me, any bounce up could be another sell down. So Pharma is not in a good shape, and as I mentioned before, 40 cents break not nice, 370 break not nice. So now trying to break below 340. Okay, 370 break already, right? So now trying to break below 340. Okay, if they are still unable to recover back above 340, we are seeing 30 cents. Okay, how about the QESTP? Okay, QES for me is not so nice. Okay, because let me see MACD cross. Okay, the only hope you can put is a 575. Okay, yesterday also have an open gap up, gap down. Sorry, open gap down, close. Okay, they got pressed all the way down to 560, but okay, lucky thing. Okay, by end of day they close above 575. So for this case, take note on the price. Okay, if they are able to stay above, let's say 570 lah. Okay, if the closing price able to stay above 570, probably they are still okay. Okay, then you can see 60 cents as your immediate resistance, 625 R2. Okay, but if the closing price below 560, I think they might come back down to retest 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 540, 545. Okay, review HSI covered already. Then hold on, comment on DNEX, NCT, and Sendai. Okay, DNEX, as I mentioned before, this is the hard resistance 415, 430. Okay, due to this was a support back in 2023 November. Then here what we can see here, back in December and January 24, they also get resisted at 415. Okay, so ngam lah. Okay, Monday they hit 415, push all the way up to 430. Closing price seems like indecisive at the 200 MAs, aka the resistance lah. So for me, is a place to take profit lah. Okay, and yesterday they pressed down and retest a 390. Okay, which was a resistance turn support. Okay, at least they get supported. If you are still interested with the next, okay, make sure the price able to stay above these two level, which is 380, 390. Okay, due to they went up to test a resistance, retest a support. Okay, so if they are able to stay, means that they might have another attempt to break above this resistance. Tapi if they go below 380, I think not really have strength to go up further. Okay, if they can stay above these two level, 380, 390, I guess they still got the strength to go up. Okay, maybe to retest. Okay, try to break again. If unable to break, then they come down lah. Okay, maybe they will just go sideways like this. Okay, tapi if go below 380, I guess most likely no game. Okay, how about the NCT? Okay, NCT, this one is a little bit illiquid lah, in my opinion. Okay, sideways for a couple of months, okay, since last year February until now, okay, sideways almost 1 year, then baru make a comeback. So they also overshot a lot. Oh, let me see, from 325 to here, about up for about 80% already lah. So what we can see here, 2nd of April, they have a gap. Oh, sorry, 3rd of April, they have a gap up, right? Today, the price come back down to fill the gap, which is around 510. Okay, for me is, I'm not so confident with them. Tapi if you're still interested, yeah, of course, we still can watch out on 50 cents, 510. Okay, so long the price stay above 50 cents, stay above 50 cents, maybe still got some game lah. Okay, at least today got a hammer, a light candle with volumes when they come back down to fill the gap. So hopefully the price able to stay above 50 cents, then still okay. Okay, the structure is still okay lah. So long if above 50 cents. Tapi if the closing price below 50 cents, most likely not so nice. Okay, and they might come back down to around 450 level. Okay, and next one is Sendai. Okay, Sendai is still okay. Back in Monday, okay, even though market not so good, they also can push up, break above. This is my trade plan. Okay, break above 345. Okay, as you can see, this was a resistance, right? So they break up. Yesterday, market also not good, right? But they are able to test and stay above the support 345. Okay, which is good lah. And the seller, you can see, is slightly lower volumes. Okay, slightly lower volumes compared to Monday. And today, a bullish candle push up with slightly higher volume than the seller. So in my opinion, the overall structure is still okay lah. So long, yeah, maybe we give them another buffer to 340. Okay, so long they are above 340, I guess they still okay lah. Still okay lah. Short-term momentum still okay. Okay, entry for PPHP. Let's see. Okay, yeah, even though yesterday PPHP was in a bad shape, okay, but at least we can see today with a good return, okay, at least the bullish candle makan the yesterday bearish candle lah. So for me, it's still all right. Okay, from here, at least we can see the bottom, okay, the short-term support is somewhere around 780. Seems like even though with yesterday's sell down, they are still trying to make the price stay above 780. So meaning, so long the price above 780, they are still in the still got opportunity lah. So probably I will put somewhere around 80 cents as my immediate support with my cut loss below 780. Okay, so still okay. Hopefully tonight US market not too bearish lah. Okay, EDEL so far we can see back in Friday they try to push up, tapi Monday they profit taking. Okay, so far they're trying to supported by 350 lah. Okay, so for me, if you are still interested, take note on 350, cut loss if they go below 340. Okay, otherwise they may go back to 320 level lah. Okay, as we can see, they trying to support around here 350, then 340 also is a one of the support lah. Okay, if they can stay above 340, I think should be still alright. Tapi if they go below, not so nice lah. Okay, now already break below 20 MA. Tapi we put the hope at the 340, 350 level. Hope they can stay lah. Okay, if they break down, I think they might come back down to test a 325 or 320 level. Okay, below 340, most likely not so nice lah. HT Padu, I think. Okay, HT Padu, I think, yeah, if compare lah, I prefer this one because at least these counters they are in the uptrend. And recently they break above 20 MA, which is back in 5th of April. Price is still above 20 MA. So take note on 220. So long they are above 220, I think they are still okay. Your immediate support is 235. Okay, your immediate support is 235. Okay, next one is LGMS. Okay, this one high volume on Friday, another good volume in Tuesday. Okay, even though yesterday market sentiment not that bad, not that good lah, they still got volumes. Today more on neutral. Okay, this one looks interesting. Okay, because the price okay, they already struggle below 200 MAs for so many months. Finally, they break above 200 MAs and they are able to stay above 200 MA, which is good for them lah. Okay, so we can put a support around 104. Okay, so if you are still interested, take note on 104 with your cut loss if they close below 1 ringgit. Okay, this one I think, yeah, only they are quite volatile, what I see. Okay, the technical point of view, at least they are above 200 MAs already lah. MACD momentum is still acceptable, so I guess this is a better than if compared with EDEL lah. Maybe I want monitor a few more days, then yep, that's all. And next one is Cloud PT, Cloud PT SNR. Wah, tak berapa boleh break below 625 already now trying to fill the gap 595, okay, which is a gap up back in 11th of March, but based on what I see is not that strong, okay, because they already have many sell down, sideways, sell down, so I guess they might sideways like that. Okay, for your immediate support, yeah, of course it's here lah. 595. And for your resistance, maybe I put around here 630. Okay, because this is a support turn resistance. 630, 665. Okay, EP for Panda means you're looking for immediate support lah for Panda. Okay, Panda is a new counters back in November 23 until now. So they already broke above this first day IPO resistance. Okay, so means whoever bought during, bought before April also made money lah. Okay, because they're already creating new high. So what we can see here, resistance, turn support. Okay, So this was a 30 cents, 290. So your immediate support is 30 cents lah. Okay, with your cut loss, if they close below 290, I guess not so nice. Okay, so let me see. Okay, trend wise, I feel they are still okay. Okay, the only thing is they only in the market for less than half years lah. Okay, from end of November until now, only mid April only, so only few months. So we don't know their pattern now. Okay, we don't know whether they will do any bid wash or do some pump and dump. Okay, we still don't know. Tapi you just follow your stop loss. So long they are above 290, we can consider they break out resistance, turn support. Okay, if go below 290 means a false breakout lah. Okay, EPCon. Okay, EPCon at the resistance, in my opinion. Okay, what you want? Hold on. Okay, for me, it's at the resistance. Okay, this is a resistance back in January, 2nd of January. They hit here, have a strong wash down. Okay, recently they also macam struggle around 475, 480. Okay, macam not really able to break through, even though you can see 3rd of April, they have a huge volume try to push up. Tapi also macam not so successful. Okay, some more they break below 455 already lah. So in my opinion, maybe they might come back down to retest the support before have another attempt. Okay, trend point of view, this counter is still in a good uptrending mode lah. Just that I feel tentatively, they might a little bit topish. They might come back down to charge power only go up lah. Okay, then we go for the Flexi. Flexi now back to support lah. Okay, pump out. Oh, these counters also like to do a pump and dump. Okay, for me, I will skip this counter due to the liquidity. I will say this counter is quite illiquid and easily to be manipulated. Okay, tapi if you still die must buy or you are still very interested with these counters, take note on 190. Okay, if they go below 190, no game. Stay above, still fightable lah. As we can see, they have a multiple attempt. Okay, even though they washed up, washed down, the price is still above 190. So I would say above 190, still got hope. Below 190, not so nice. Okay, so next one is a AME. Okay, this one is still alright. At least still in the uptrending mode. Okay, support 173. Yesterday got volumes, today neutral, but volume consider improve. Okay, this counter, if you interested, I think 175, 173 there can see lah. Okay, so long the price above 173, I think it's still alright. Okay, Netgate. Okay, Netgate, back in Monday, they had a big shooting star and follow with a confirmation on Tuesday. But today they made a comeback. Okay, seems like they are trying to stay above 153. Okay, but for me, I will a bit doubt on their if you're looking for EP, I will give a question mark first. Okay, due to you can see back in last year, right? This is July. Okay, last year July, they also have a similar pattern. Okay, they also had a shooting star. Then they struggle for a couple of weeks. Then they come down. Okay, now also similar. Okay, for me, short-term trade maybe okay. Tapi if you swing trade here, yeah, I worried they might wash down lah. Okay, so if you're still interested, take note on 153. Stay above, maybe still got chance lah. Tapi if they go below, they might wash down to 140 or 130. Okay, KGB, TH Plantation, Koraja. Okay, KGB first. Okay, KGB, today sell down, today pull back. Okay, seems like market today, due to oversold, then maybe they have some bounce up. Okay, hopefully tomorrow can continue. Okay, to be make sure we need to see how is the US market closing. Okay, if tomorrow morning you see US market closing is a neutral or slightly bullish, then still okay. Okay, overall market should be all right. So if tomorrow morning you see Dow Jones they drop 300 points or lowers then maybe people will start to take profit cabut lah. Okay, I think due to oversold, maybe they have some short-term bounce up. Okay, they bounce from somewhere around 2524, yeah, 24249 lah, which is the 50 MA bounce up. But the volume wise, I will feel okay only. Okay, this is a mother share lah. So if they are able to go up, probably they might come back up to fill the gap, which is around 264, 267, and also is a 20 MA resistant. Okay, I would say probably they will come back up to fill the gap. If unable to break through, they might gonna sell down lah. Okay, for me, slightly weak for the mother share. How about the Sun? Yeah, macam still similar. They also bounce from the 50 MA. So meaning for the Sun have to stay above 110, 112. Okay, stay above maybe still okay lah. Tapi if they go up, you still need to watch out the 20 MA 130. Okay, if they break below 110, not nice already. Okay, TH Plantation. Okay, TH Plantation, they trying to defend 670. Okay, take note on 670. Stay above, still got a chance to bounce up. Tapi if they go below 670, we may see 625 lah. Okay, Coraza. Okay, Coraza, they already have a rally, okay, since February or, end of February lah. Okay, from somewhere around 40 cents, 425, all the way up to the 200 MA, somewhere around 570 or 550. Now it's more on some retracement. So take note on their immediate support, 50 cents. If this level unable to hold, I guess they may come back down to 470 lah. Okay, so short term wise, they are slightly bullish. Tapi long term wise, they are still pressured by 200 MAs. So this time we can see lah, okay, they this pump out, wash down. They also pump out, maybe they might wash down. Okay, if they can stay above 470, I guess they do have potential to have another rally up. Tapi if they break below 470, the structure not that great lah. Hello, Anthony. Review SOP. Another is why SOP? Okay, got okay. SOP 305 STS looking for immediate support. Okay, let's see. SOP Sarawak Oil. Okay, take note on 3 ringgit lah. Your entry is 305. Okay, for me, they are turning a little bit weak. Okay, which is we need to be careful sikit lah. You can see the high is getting lower. Break 20 MA, the red line, and also the low, they also break down already. Okay, so now they are at the crucial level, 3 ringgit. Okay, if they can stay, maybe got chance to bounce up again. Okay, W, you can see the high is getting lower, low also getting lower. So for me, they are like short term lah, short term not so strong. Maybe if you put a downtrend channel like this, you can see maybe they might just trading within the range. Okay, if they are able to bounce up, probably or somewhere around the gap lah. Okay, 311, 312. Okay, tapi and if they break below 3 ringgit, memang not so nice, quite ugly already. Okay, so turn on this one and SDS. Okay, this one, okay, for SDS, they already broke below 80 cents, broke below 785 for me, or short term, mid term, not so strong. Even the MACD also looks sloping down, okay, below 0 center line for me is not so strong. Okay, now the only hope, okay, since they already break this level, so take note on this level already, okay, resistance, turn support, now is a support, 735, 750, okay, if they can stay above, probably they might just ding dong around here. But if they break below 735, they might go to 695. So for at the moment, we assume they might go sideways lah. So take note on your immediate support 750, resistance 785, 80 cents. GHL. Okay, PPHP we cover already. We skip PPHP, we go for GHL system. Okay, GHL system, in my opinion, I think previous week we do review before, right? And I do mention the volume improved since this year. Okay, the whole 2024 or January onwards the volume seems like quite interesting. Okay, if we zoom out and compare, okay, at least we can see the whole 2024, the volume is improved. Okay, when they sell down and they form a potential bottoming and volume is there. So I think this is a counters that may be worth to review or worth to KIV in 2024. Okay, due to the volumes lah. And the MACD also sloping up, at least shows some divergence. Okay, so these counters, I would say, so long they are above 595, okay, I think they do have potential for the bottoming lah. Okay, tapi close below 595, sorry lah, not nice already. Okay, and if they are able to bounce up, okay, for them to make a comeback, yeah, they need to break at least above here 660. Okay, means they already form a potential bottoming here. For them to make a comeback, they need to break through 660. Okay, once they can clear, then you can see here lah 720. Okay, they still got many resistance to fight. Okay, now the only attractive is the volumes here. Okay, who buy here? Okay, yeah, surely it's not you and me or retailers, normal retailers can make this kind of volumes lah. So hopefully they can stay within this zone, and yeah, maybe they do have potential for the bounce up or maybe reversal in future. So yeah, I think it's worth to monitor lah. Okay, good case studies. Okay, for JHM, they also struggle. Okay, a gap down, big gap down back in 29th of February. Then they sell down, but so far the price is still going sideways. So based on the MACD, at least crossover and slope up, they do have a potential for the bottoming at here. So tenor on 560. Okay, stay above 560. I guess they still have some chance lah. Tapi recently a bit weak lah. Okay, even though back in last Tuesday, they have a bounce up, but still unable to go through 60 cents. Okay, seems like 60 cents is their hard resistance. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to break and close above 60 cents. Then only can make a comeback lah. Otherwise, I guess they might form a sideway over here. Okay, need some patience lah. But I would say they are still interesting. Maybe need some time. Okay, give them some time. Okay, JHM cover and we go for the sun view. No view this one. Sun view, sunset already this one. Okay, already below all moving averages, break below 660, they are pretty bearish. Okay, and their next destination or their next support lah, okay, which is a November bounce up area, 60 cents. Okay, these counters, I would say, I still haven't seen any opportunity on them. Okay, especially they already break below 200 MAs, resisted by 200 MAs, recently break 660. So the next level we see here lah, 60 cents. We see any chance. Okay, if they break down, we may see more downside. So this one, no rush. Okay, wait for signal. Okay, how about the capital A? Yeah, still double A. Sudah habis cuti, no more flying lah. Okay, so they already break below 70 cents and now they break below 675. Okay, probably you can see the correlationship. If the oil price go up, okay, airline industry may be impacted. Okay, they are going different way. If the oil price go down, maybe they have a little bit chance to come back lah. But so far I can see they are still weak. They below 675 already. So no EP lah. Okay, wait for signal. Okay, probably next week we'll review again. Wow, so many people like Sendai. Sendai review already. We covered already. So we can skip for the next one. Okay, Pentec. Okay, Pentec, they have a good breakout on 4th of April. Okay, they break above 980, then sideways for a couple of days. Monday, they have another breakout above 1 ringgit. Tuesday, retest a support, 1 ringgit, retest 980. Tapi the closing, I would say neutral. Today, another push up. Okay, so if you're already in, congratulations. Take note on your immediate resistance, 107. Okay, if you just plan to go in, sorry, it's too late already. Okay, you need to wait for the next chance. Okay, if not mistaken, 107 was projected with the Fibonacci lah. Okay, so if you want the trading stop, probably we can put somewhere around 102. Okay, so long the closing price above 102, they are still pretty bullish. Okay, how about ECA? Okay, Aircar. Okay, back in 3rd of April, they have a good spike up. Tapi you can see these few days, they are a little bit struggle at 100 MA. Okay, and come back down to retest 40 cents. So take note 40 cents. Okay, so macam rebound sudah habis lah. So I guess they might just go sideways like this. Okay, if below 370, memang not nice. Above 370, they are still okay. Oh, no lah. 40 cents lah. Okay, below 370, most likely might continue sideways lah. Above 40 cents, maybe still got a chance to bounce out to retest 470. Okay, how about the Solar Vest? Sorry. Okay, Solar Vest, they do have a good spike out back in Monday, 15th of April. Tapi a wash down on 16th of April, which is yesterday. Tapi no continuous sell down. Okay, at least the price is trying to stay above 152. So I guess they is still okay. Okay, so most importantly, SolarVest cannot go below 147. And for their immediate support is a 152. So I think they are still okay lah. Even though yesterday with a high volume sell down, you can see. Okay, tapi the price is still supported. Okay, it's still above 152. I guess so they still got chance to make a comeback, provided market sentiment okay lah. CLXT. Sorry. CLXT. I cannot find these counters or GLXT. I think it's GLXT. Can hold. I cannot say can hold, cannot hold. Tapi I can tell you this was a resistance, right? Now turn support. Okay. 230 turn support. Tapi today they break below 230 lah. Okay, since you are still have position with you, okay, and today closing already 220 lah. Okay, so yeah, probably you can see their last defense 215 lah. Above 215, maybe you still got hope lah. Tapi if they go below 215, most likely not that nice. Okay, for me, these counters is too new already. You see, wow. First day, they already wash out so many people. Whoever bought on the first day, all kena keychain or on the first day. Okay, so you can see, I think a lot of victims on the first day lah. Okay, from 630 kena wash until 220 cents over. So when the price go up, maybe a lot of people want to try to dispose their tickets lah. Okay, so the resistance already break below. I mean the resistance and support now become resistant again. Okay, unless tomorrow they can go above 230, maybe your hope is still there. And if you still want to fight on, 215 is your last defense. Okay. Any EP for Eco? Let's see. Here. Okay, retest. Fight above? I guess so. Okay, for EcoWorld, as we can see, these counters, they already sideways here, right? Means they already form a resistance at 132. Now they break up. So means these counters, as long as the closing price is able to stay above 132, they are still okay. Okay, now they come back to retest the 50 MA lah. So maybe we can say 137 is your immediate support. Okay, ABR is a US counters. I need to put a full name. Realty Trust. Oh, they have too many names. Okay, one is a German. Okay, I'm not sure which one. Okay, so I assume you bought this one, okay, with ABR slash PE lah. Okay, for me, yesterday they attempt to rebound up, tapi macam not so successful. Okay, so take note on $18, okay, and 1750. Okay, stay above maybe still okay lah. Tapi based on yesterday price session, I feel they are just bounce up for a sell down. Okay, so not so strong for short term point of view. Tapi long term they are still above for 200 MAs lah. Okay, if you are holding for swing, then you tend on $17. Okay, for resistance 1850, 1900. Okay, I'm not sure whether it's discounters or not. If not, then later you can PM me in the Telegram. Okay, so at least I can review again lah. Okay, Panergy. Okay, Panergy, Monday, Tuesday, they have a sell down. And today made a comeback. So far, I think they are still all right. Okay, so we can see Monday, Tuesday, they have a profit taking lah. Volume is low, so for me, it's still okay. And today they made a comeback with volume. So I think the overall structure, momentum, buying sentiment is still there lah. Okay, so long they are above, for me, they break out here lah, 129, or we can say 130. So long the price above 130, they are still okay. Tapi below 130, memang not so okay lah. Okay, Cellcon. Okay, Cellcon yesterday have a good volumes pump up, break above 275. Tapi today they macam face some resistance at 30 cents. Okay, hit 30 cents, rejected. So tentatively, we may expect they might come back down to test a support. Okay, resistance turn support. So tenor on 275, 270. Okay, stay above. I think they still got chance lah. Tapi go below 270, not so nice. Okay, for this one, Cellcon. Okay, for chances point of view, I would say the overall momentum or structure, or yeah, I guess they are still good. Okay, still okay. So the only thing is today more on some profit taking activities. So I expect they might come back down to test the support. If can get supported, I guess still got chance to make a comeback lah. Okay, and yeah, most importantly, this counter is still above 200 MAs. Okay, and next one is a BJ Food. Okay, Berjaya. Wah, memang very jaya. Okay, these counters actually I noticed this since 50, yeah, 55 cents, something like that lah, here lah, around here. So for me, they already hit my target, which is a 200 MAs, 630. If you're still holding, congratulations, they are at second target, 680, because they have a gap down back in November 23. Okay, so today closing 680, they are at the R2 already. Okay, R1 is my 200 MAs, R2 is the gap resistant. Okay, R3 is 710. So for this bounce to be successful, the price need to stay above 630. Above 630, they are still okay. Okay, how about the RL, not Ralph Lauren? This one. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay, RL, I guess they are still okay. Okay, back in 12th of March, they made a comeback, stay above 200 MAs, and sideways for the whole month. Okay, Monday they attempt to sell down, and yesterday supported by 30 cents. Okay, they stress test the support and bounce up today. Okay, close above 315. So long this counter stay above 30 cents, I guess they do have potential to make a comeback, okay, or make a turnaround lah. Okay, so far I can see the structure is here sideways, here sideways. Okay, if they are able to break above 340, they might have another box up. Okay, so so long above 30 cents, they are still all right. Okay, VS and Mr. CB. Okay, let's see. Okay, VS for me a bit struggle, not so nice already. Okay, back in 29th of March, they do have a breakthrough 200 MAs. Okay, when they come back to retest support, macam not really supported. Okay, you can see Tuesday also not so performing, and today they try to go above 860. Tapi the closing price is below 840. Macam not so strong. Okay, so monitor for the next few days. If they are able to close above 860, maybe still okay. Tapi if they go below 840, 840 and below, then you need to take note on 80 cents. See any chance from 80 cents. So I think I will stay away for the time being to monitor dulu. Okay, see any chance, anything lah. Okay, how about the MRCB? Okay, MRCB a breakout on Friday, tapi Monday, Tuesday more on the wash down. Okay, tapi the price is still above the support 635. Okay, stay above 635, probably still okay. Tapi if they go below 635, next level 60 cents. Okay, Karimin. I am hungry already. Okay, Karimin so far so good. I would say back in Monday they have a good volumes, tapi is a resistant lah. Okay, resistant by 910. Okay, yesterday closing for me is still good. At least it's a hammer from at the 200 MAs. So looks like okay. And then they have a breakout. Okay, not really what formation now, but at least we can see they attempt to go back above 200 MAs, finally successful. Okay, the only thing is they have a gap down. Okay, so this is a 910 is your immediate resistance. 955 is your next resistance. Okay, so yeah, maybe for the time being, they might just go sideways like that and wait for the breakout above 910. Okay, here also got a resistance. Okay, break above 910, 955, and for the support, probably we can put somewhere around 850. Above 850 still okay. Okay, GTB. Okay, my EG cover ready, huh? Okay, GTB. Breakout. Okay, back in 9th of April, 12th of April, they have a breakout, and Monday, Tuesday more on retrace. But so far, the price is still above 20 MA. Take note on 270, above 270, maybe still okay. Okay, was a resistance back in last year, January. So we can put here 295, 30 cents. Okay, take note on 270 lah. Stay above, maybe short-term momentum is still alright. Tapi if they go below 270, they may go to 235, 230 level. Comment on ARK. I think this one, right? Wow, very illiquid counters. If we use a technical, basically nothing we can read about this because quite illiquid. Okay, the only comment I can give is they have a good volume on 11 and 12 of March. Then downtrend. No. Then sideways lah. Nothing much. So this, if we use a weekly chart, probably take note on 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents would be their immediate support for ARK. Okay, my EG cover already, Epicon cover already, Karimin also cover already. So we go for the OCK. Okay, OCK, they do have some bearish divergence. Okay, as you can see, the high is getting higher here, right? But here is getting lower. So need to be careful sikit lah. Need to be careful sikit. So maybe we take note on the support turn resistance is about 575. Yep. Okay. So yeah, take note on 575. Stay above, maybe still got chance. Okay, because this counter is still in an uptrending mode lah. Okay, just a short-term correction. Okay, I guess it's still acceptable. Hopefully the price can stay above 575 or yeah, round off for them lah, 570 lah. Stay above 570. Short term is still good. Okay, just that tentatively they are like go below 220 MA. Okay, but so far we can see the trend is still healthy lah. Okay, still healthy. Okay, review IFCA. Today macam good performance. Yeah, IFCA. As we can see, IFCA that have the uptrend, retrace, sideways, another pump up, good volumes. So the structure momentum, I think is pretty good. And finally, IFCA break above 350. Okay, 350 is a hard resistance back in 2021. You can see back in June, October, and June 22. And also even last year, they macam struggle to break above 350. And this time they try again. Okay, some more with high volumes. So meaning so long the price above 330, I would say they are still in a good shape. And take note on their next resistance, 380. Okay, so far this one, yeah, I guess they are still good shape. Okay, ECA cover already, YTL. 条龙啊，一条龙. Okay, YTL turn weak in short term. As you can see here, also have some bearish divergence. Okay, bearish divergence. Okay, now their last hope is at a 240 level. Okay, take note on this level. Now they break below 250 already. And yeah, even though today closing price is 250, you can see the yesterday candle is pretty bearish. Today just a small recovery. For me, it's not that solid lah. So take note on 240. If happen, they come back to revisit 240 and get supported, maybe still got chance to make a comeback. But if they close below 240, not so nice lah. They may have a stronger correction. They might go to visit 210. Okay, which is the January support. Okay, for me, short term not that strong already lah. Okay, maybe they might face some correction. Big trend, they are still in the uptrending mode lah. Okay, D and O is still weak. Okay, rebound no strength. Okay, you can see they tested 200 MA so many times already, still unable to go through. Okay, now at this support 308. Okay, they are at one of the support 308. If they break through, we may see more downside lah. But for me, what I see is the chances of breaking down is quite high. So better stay away and we wait for the more signal. Okay, Takafu, yeah, they have a strong sell down back in February. Now they already below 200 MAs. In my opinion, it's not so strong. Unless they can go back above 360. Otherwise, we may see them revisit 340, 345 level. Okay, icon can. Okay, what I see is they are indeed in the uptrending mode. Okay, big trend point of view, they are still okay. Short term slightly weak because okay lah, at least 20 cross above 50 already. So if you're still interested, probably we can see this support 670. Okay, above 670, I guess they are still all right. Okay, let me see. Yeah, quite volatile these counters. Can. Okay, PIE, what happened today? Japan, makan pie this one. Wow, what happened? I memang don't know. Tapi correct these counters. So strong. Oh, memang. Okay, I don't know what happened. Should be some news happen. Otherwise, they won't limit up to 30%. Okay, what we can see, PIE already broke above 4 ringgit and already create a new all-time high. So, of course, yeah, cannot comment so much. I would say they are still pretty bullish. If you just plan to go in, you need to wait for them to have some correction or some retracement. Otherwise, it's too risky to chase already. So based on 50-minute charts, support is 450. Okay, so we wait for retracement. We see when they retrace, able to stay above 450 or not. Okay, JHM Sunview covered already, KGB covered already, Mohiba. MRCB covered already. So Mohiba, strong sell on Monday, Tuesday, today bounce up. So lucky thing, resistance and support. 845. Take note, stay above 845 is still okay. Take great care. Drink. Yeah, today I cough liao. Okay, I today forgot to take candies, so my throat a little bit dry. Yeah, otherwise, usually I will take a candy before I start the live session. Yeah, and also weather is very hot now. Especially I'm at Penang. Penang is super hot. Okay, EP for YOCB for me is a little bit risky to chase. Okay, so it's better for them to maybe come back to fill the gap. Okay, the gap is about 191, but I would like to see any chance, okay, at around 2 ringgit. Okay, Pantech cover already. Wow, keep repeat same things. Pantech cover already, Pantech cover already. BDB, I think also cover already. BDB, no lah, no lah. Quite similar name. 370, 350. Okay, no, they struggle at 430. Okay, these counters has been sideways since June 22 until recently, March. They finally have a break above 350 and now they are retesting 370. Okay, most importantly, they cannot go below 350 lah. Below 350, not nice. Okay, Capital A, I sell Habis yesterday. Capital A, I think wait first lah. If you want to buy, you buy their air ticket, go and travel first lah. Okay, wait dulu. Okay, SCG Berhad, so far so good. 20 MA supported very well. Especially yesterday got a hammer supported by 820. Today with a follow-up, go up. So they hit one of the next, they hit one of the important resistance, which is at 580. Okay, if you look back on the bigger trend, 580 is the hard resistance back in 2021 February. Okay, they are at the all-time high resistance now. Okay, if you're still interested, take note on 520. So long the closing price above 520, then it's still okay. Okay, expected good QRL next week. Okay, if you are speaking about the PIE expected good QRL next week, then we need to be careful lah. Okay, buy on rumors, sell on news in case. Okay, because market price in on good result means whoever buy today, bought today, they are expecting once a good result release, they want to throw to you lah. So if you play on the news, then yeah, better skip lah. Okay, if you know they go up because of the expected good result, yeah, it's better for us to skip lah. Okay, otherwise we are like helping them to get they sell you not so worth lah. Later stay in a penthouse. It's better to wait for the after QR, they wash down. You only look for the opportunity to enter. Okay, that would be better. At least they wash out those short-term trader, contra player, wash everyone out, then you only enter. At least safer lah. KSL. Monday, Tuesday, strong sell. Today, come back. Okay, 10 on 160. So long they are above 160. KSL is still all right. Okay, SCG Berhad just now covered. So what I mentioned is 580 is a 2021 resistance, right? What if they still can break up more? Too far already. I do one project so far. I use a recent one. Okay, what if they still can go up more? We can use here 670. Okay, we use a trend from last year, October until recently. Okay, more conservative a bit. Okay, if they are able to break above 580, next level 670. So yeah, for me, best if you start to do a trading stop already. Okay, means maybe at the moment we put 520 means so long the closing price above 520, we can fight. Okay, then if they are able to break through 580, then you move your trading stop to 545. Okay, then if they can go up above 60 cents, then you only move your trading stop to maybe 580. Okay, slowly move your trading stop until a sudden sell down, then you close all position. Okay, this is another way to deal with the all-time high counters. Okay, comment with DTB. Yeah, I always see these counters. I always feel like watching TVB. Okay, so far DTVHB, they are still above 1 ringgit, still above 107. I guess they are still all right. Okay, so even though yesterday got attempt to sell down, but they are able to close good. Okay, close at the opening price. And today closing neutral, volume still boleh tahan. So I guess they are still good. Okay, so long price above 1 ringgit. Okay lah, boleh lah. Okay, tofu Okay, tofu have a good breakout on 12th of April, which is last Friday, and these few days more on a small wash down. So far, price still above 208. I guess they are still good. Okay, still okay lah, tofu. And wash out on the resistance. Okay, this is the last year February, April resistance 225, 230. And Tasco. Okay, Tasco more on sideway. Yeah, I would say this counter is still in the sideway mode. Okay, tapi you can watch out on 810, 80 cents. Okay, so long the price above 80 cents, they are still okay. Below 80 cents, no good. Okay, let me see. JSB. JSB January had a sell down. For me, I'm not so confident with them. Okay, for me, I'm not so confident. They already pull up quite much. Okay, now already hit a resistance. Okay, for me, if can skip, you skip lah. Okay, why I worry is this is a sell down, right? Then they pull up. Okay, they already hit a 200 MAs. Then maybe they might have another sell down. I don't know. But for me, it's I'm not so confident lah. But if you're still interested, you take note on support lah, 925 below 925, not nice. Okay, Carex and Flex. Okay, last 2, 4. Okay, last 4. Carex. Okay, Carex hit resistance, sell down. Okay, take note on 785. Still okay. Sell down on Monday, Tuesday. Today, a small recovery. Okay, take note on this level, 785. Or you can say 780 lah. Okay, above 780, still okay. Below 780, not okay. Okay, so this is your important level for the Carex. Okay, for MFlex, nothing much. Okay, they are more on sideway. Yeah, if you're still really interested with them, take note on 150. Above 150, still okay. Below 150, memang not okay. You need holding power lah, because I don't know they want sideway for how long. Okay, LB Loom. Yeah, there's a reason why I not really like aluminium or metal counters lah. Quite volatile. Monday push out to 530, Tuesday sell down to 490, 480, today neutral. Okay, if you're still interested with them, take note on 490. Stay above 490, watchable. Okay, go below 490, then not so nice lah. Okay, last one is a MyTech. MyTech, nothing much, tapi they already break below 150 lah. Okay, for me, it's not so strong, tapi if you're still interested with MyTech, okay, their last level, their last defense is a 130. Stay above momentum. I mean, the structure still okay. Tapi go below 130, no game. Okay, last two lah. Opstar. Oppa. Okay, Opstar, I guess they are still okay. At least Friday got volume pump up. Monday also okay. Tuesday, small sell down. And today, another volumes. So these counters, I guess they do have potential for the bottoming, so long the price above 112. Okay, above 112, okay. Then if they are able to bounce up, watch out on the 200 MAs, 143, 14A. 143, 148. Okay, last one is a Massis. Okay, Massis not so strong. Okay, previously back in last Friday, they have a rebound, go above 20 MA. But you can see Monday already below 20 MA, and today get resisted by 350. Unless they can recover back above 350, otherwise we may see more downside. Okay, just like here you can see they break 200 MA, struggle at 20 MA, sell down. Sell down. Okay, now they come back 20 MA, sell down again. So for me, they are more on downtrending, not so strong. Okay, so thank you everyone for tuning in to our live session. Okay, if you yet to join my Telegram channel, you may screenshot it now. Okay, screenshot it now. Then on and off, I will give some updates. If you have any question, okay, you may try to ask over there. Okay, if I got time, I will reply to you. Or if I spot anything, I will also post in the channel. And also thank you Sifu for having me here. So if you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and they also have an interactive live chat. If you need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And we see you on next Monday lah. Okay, so thank you everyone, and thank you, Sifu, having me here, and see you on next Monday, 8:30. Thank you, everyone.